Hey guys, what's up? And I'm outside right now. I'm at our garden. And as you can see, so let me just focus here. I'm here today to unbox the cases that I bought for my new phone, which I'm using right now. And it's the Redmi Note 10 Pro. So, are you ready? Kaja! Kaja! Welcome back. And as you can see, I'm finally using my Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 Pro. And I do love this phone. Some of you may noticed that I am using the original jelly case included in the box, but I have bought several cases as I want to be stylish with this smartphone. By the way, apologies for the noisy video because I'm shooting outside and the wind chime is really giving a lot of noise. However, I'm so excited to show you the several cases that I got for this video. Before I begin, I want to spray the packages first because of COVID-19 and I'm using this spray. And since it's not enough, I'll use this bigger spray. Now it's virus free. Let me now open this package. Inside, I've bought 3 phone cases. More to come later. But I have also bought this. Can you guess it? It is a small one. And yes, that's a lens shield. Because the main reason why I've bought these cases, aside from styling, is because the included phone case doesn't protect the lens. But with the cases that I got, I guess I don't need these lens shield anymore. And let me begin with this clear bumper case. As you can see, it's quite similar with the original one, but this one has protection for the corners and also for the lens. For comparison, let me hold this and you can see the lenses are protected. However, I found out a problem with this one because at nighttime, when I do activate the flash, it interferes with the photo or video as you can see here. So if you'll be using the transparent one, do take note of that. For my next case, well, I have this purple phone case. Actually, it's quite lavender and I love this color. I got inspired with the Samsung A52 colors and with this one, it seems like I got the same phone, right? So as you can see, the lenses are more protected. It has this embossed style, which as compared to the previous one was flat. But still, both of them can protect the camera lenses. And the third one, which is my favorite, is a brown phone case. You would see why. So when you remove it, it's a little bit similar with the purple, but there are differences. First is the camera bump. You can see it's more protected, it's more pronounced as compared to the purple one. By the way, the purple case has this velvety inside, while the brown case doesn't have. Now, for the button side, I do love it because it makes the buttons tactile. And as for the other side, it looks like this, which is quite similar. Among the 3 guys, do you have any favorites now? Well, I have a lot to show you. So, let's go with the next cases. So I got these 2 cases. Yes, another brown one, but to my surprise, it was different from the previous one. It has no Pro camera engraved, and the camera bumps are different. Also for the buttons. The main reason why I got the other brown case is because I want a spare one as I like my original brown case. Though the shade was a bit different and the edges were not exactly the same. I also bought a black version of this one so that I could use it for corporate suits or formal events, although both the brown and black ones can be used on both settings. Now finally, the most wackiest case that I got, and it is a Pop-It phone case. Well, coincidentally, yes, my Pop-It is a rainbow and happy pride, but I got the color randomly. By the way, the links are on the description if you want to buy these cases, and I'll talk about more on this Pop-It case. It's really addicting to pop, but it's hard to pop it back. See? Well, that's the trick, especially if it's installed. So let's pop it more. And unpopping them would be a little challenge, but it can satisfy your fidget cravings. However, I do dislike this fingerprint part. Yeah, because I tend to touch the sensor unintentionally. Still, it's wacky. I like it, and it's great to make the kids envious of your phone case. Now, let's have a recap of the cases. So, I have the clear case, the brown case, which is my favorite, also the black case, the Pop-It case, the other brown case of mine, yeah, the spare one, and the purple case. So among these cases, which is your favorite? Comment down below, guys, so that I would know. But as for my bias, it's the brown case if it's not yet obvious. And there we have it. This phone case haul has finished. Please do subscribe if you enjoyed this video and hit the bell icon to be notified for my latest posts. Again, this is Carl Jason, and I'll see you on the next one. 再见!